controversies at the moment about the government's plan to send some children back to school on the 1st of June. And I'm hearing from head teachers and from parents that they're very concerned about the safety of such a plan. The government have said that young children should go back years 1 and also year 6. But the younger the child, the more difficult it is and the more damaging potentially it is to try and enforce things like social distancing. Young children really don't understand why they can't hug their mates and hug the teachers or anybody that they want to show some affection to. And obviously stopping them from doing that might lead to a lot of misunderstanding. It's clear that teachers, head teachers in the constituency who've spoken to me are concerned about things like safety at school. There isn't enough testing, and there's certainly no priority for people who work at schools, teachers, staff, to have the testing that they might need to reassure themselves and families, parents, that there's no issue with COVID being introduced and circulating around schools. We also don't really know how easy it is for kids to be transmitters of the disease. We know that they don't get seriously affected, generally speaking, by the condition itself, but we don't know what role they play in transmitting the disease back at home to obviously more vulnerable relatives, for example. There is widespread concern in Liverpool about the idea of kids going back to school, some of them on the 1st of June, the rest of the primary system on the 1st of July, according to the government, and they say they'll keep it under review. And it seems to me that this timetable has just been invented by the government to try and provide some kind of reassurance that things are returning to normal. But they're crossing their fingers and hoping that things don't go wrong. I therefore support the National Education Union and the Mayor of Liverpool and Knowsley Borough Council in saying they won't send children back to school until they're sure that it's safe for it to be done.